boy. I'm 9 years old. I'm from Ecuador. I live in Guayaquil. I am in 5 basic grade and study in the Liceo Naval School Alfa. My teacher is Luis Rivera. My project is about farm animals products. When you visit a farm, you can see many animals: horns, hen, donkey, turkey, goose, pig, dog, cow, bull, goat, chick, rooster. What do they use to feed or service? Transporting horns. Sheep use wool and meat. Hens use eggs and meat too. Cow use milk, butter, cheese and meat to eat. Goat use meat and milk to use like cows. Pigs use ham and barbecue. Dogs use meat and eggs too. How to take care of the animals? Feed the animals and good and healthy food. Thanks for watching the video. See you around. Bye teacher and classmate. Thanks.
Hello, my name is Luis Romero. I am boy. I'm 9 years old. I'm from Ecuador. I live in Guayaquil. I am in 5 basic grade. I study in the Liceo Naval School Alfa. My teacher is Luis Rivera. My project is about farm animals products. When you visit a farm, you can see many animals: horns, hens, donkey, turkey, goose, pig, dog, cow, bull, goat, chick, rooster. What do they use to feed or service? Transportation and horns. Sheep use wool and meat. Hen use eggs and meat too. Cow use milk, butter, cheese and meat to eat. Goats use meat and milk to use like cow. Pigs use ham and barbecue. Dogs use meat and eggs too. Thanks for watching the video. See you around. Bye teacher and kiss mat.